Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sir Gabs. In this video, we will be talking about continuity at a number. So, continuity of the function actually at a certain number. So, from here, we have three conditions to meet for us to say that the function is continuous at a certain number. So, first condition, f of a must exist. Ikaduha, the limit of the function as x approaches a must also exist, and then the limit of the function and f of a must be equal. So, meaning kanang duha ka value should be the same. Okay, so we have an example here. Example number 1. So we have here determine whether the function is continuous, whether f of x is continuous at x equals, let's say, 3. Given f of x, let's say f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 3. Okay, so this is our function here, and then this is the this is the instruction. We have to determine whether the function is continuous at x equals 3 or not. First button is, of course, we have to follow these three conditions, and once satisfied, then meaning the function is continuous at this number. So, unang buhaton is we have to check if f of a exists ba. So, kibali guys, ang idea ni is wala ni kibali ato ang a. So, ang value nga a is the number nga ato ang i-test. Muna ang ato ang test value. We are to check if the function is continuous at this number 3. Now, following the conditions, letter a is f of a existing, no? So f of a is f of 3, then meaning that should be f of 3 is equal to, substitute lang ang 3 sa function, so meaning you have 2 times 3 squared plus 3. This means you have 3 squared is 9 times 2, 18, plus 3 you have 21. Okay, so the number 21 is a real number, so it means it exists. So condition number 1 is met. Then letter b. So letter b, we have here to find the limit, or find the limit of the function. Find the limit of 2x squared plus 3 as x approaches a, which is 3. So kanina, as you know, sa limit, we can actually just substitute the value, di ba? So naman one way in solving limits is just to substitute the value here to the function. So if you do that, then syempre the same ang result. So this means this becomes 2 times 3 squared gihapon. Just to be formal, just write the solution here. So kibali 21 gihapon ang result na. So in letter B, satisfied gihapon siya. Then lastly, for letter C, sa letter C na to, we have to check if equal ba sila. So the limit of the function f of x as x approaches 3, is it equal? That's a question mark first. Is it equal to f of 3? Well, all you have to do is to check the limit of the function is 21, and then f of 3 is also 21, so that means it's a check mark. Okay, so since all conditions are satisfied, then f of x, or the function, is continuous. Okay, mo man ito ang goal. We have to show continuous at x equals 3. So, kana lang. Okay, so we are actually trying to show, we are showing that the function is continuous at x equals 3. Okay, so actually, pwede duhang result, pwedeng discontinuous, pwedeng continuous. But as for this one, we have a result na continuous siya. So, anyway, basta masipit lang ako siya, bisag usa lang nila aning tulo mo na condition, bisag usa lang kabuok ang dili ma-satisfy, automatic, our conclusion will be discontinuous ang function. Okay, so see you in the next videos for more examples.